Mark Willie Learning Center in Cow, Interpretative Nature Center still in South Carolina, Hollywood, South Carolina, at the outskirts of Charleston, South Carolina. We have a storm recently, hurricane or storm Debbie, or tropical storm Debbie. They had to close this area here. Unfortunately, I won't be able to get any souvenirs because this place was damaged. This is built on an old rice paddy farm. Yep, we have farm rice in here. I think they still have it. I'm just gonna go for a walk. There's still some research going on here. There's some water fountains. Again, big water vortex and snakes and all types of critters around here. There to be a small farm. What they're growing here. That looks familiar. I'm not sure if that's pumpkins or not. I think this will look like a lemon tree, but again, I'm not sure. So we're gonna walk these 3 miles. It will take like less than an hour. That's typically an average. You're going in a brisk pace. There's a big old spider somewhere here. Let's see if I can catch it with my camera. There you go. There it is. So I originally planned to walk through another trail nearby, but that trail first was swarming with mosquitoes that were eating me all over. This trail is probably gonna be the same. So I just went back to my car and sprayed myself very good, hopefully. Yeah, let's do the upland forest first, and then we can go into the swamp. So yeah, it was really cool looking over here, because you're not too often used to visit these small areas. I always love to do this type of things when I traveling too far away. I can just go also to a small place like this and just unwind a little bit. The entrance is $2 per person, but for all the work they did to keep this place open, I think it's well worth it. There's a canal here. You see it's somehow flooded. There was some very good downpour for hurricane, tropical storm Debbie, but the damages were negligible. Thank goodness. Again, this was built on a rice paddy. What used to be a rice paddy plantation, but now it is a nature center. Again, you're coming in, please wear proper bug repellent. Just put yourself, cover yourself well into it, because you never know. There's a lot of that, forgot the name of that swamp plant. It looked like a hot dog at the top. Sound of frogs. That's flowers are in bloom. It's summer. It's gonna be late summer. We're closing to September. The storms probably gonna keep going. Some storms for until probably October. Knock on wood. And we are spared and all the trouble happened before. Alright, so we are probably gonna turn around here. It's not a loop. Yeah, I think yeah, we're gonna head back here. We added probably a quarter of a mile to our hike here. The Interpretative Center. You go back here, and this is the Maritime Forest Trail. Okay, so you look to be going back to the Interpretative Center. I hear some cars moving in. I'm probably gonna go to the parking spot. Alright, Swamp Sanctuary now. We just did the forest loop. We're gonna just basically did a big loop around the Welcome Center. We're gonna now do the swamp. We're gonna start the loop here. Alright, we are in the swamp area now, swamp trail. Here's some frogs. I don't know, frogs or alligators or baby gators. I think it's baby gators that sound like that. Maybe. I don't see any nests nearby, because if there are nests, that means they're gators. If there's gators, it means you are in for to set up your arrangements in advance before you come in. Manage wetlands projects and management plans. World leader in waterfowl conservation. Okay. Yep, we have turtles, alligators, yellow-bellied sliders, turtles, eastern cottonmouths, owls. Oh yeah, lots of birds. The works. That's a perfect example of the wildlife here in the southeast United States. By the way, I just heard there's gator sightings in Tybee Island. That's really interesting. I had no idea there were saltwater alligators. Alligators were saltwater creatures, but here we are. I know crocodiles, but oh, okay. This is taking some sunlight. Don't mess with that. I don't want to mess with that. All right, slowly take it around back. So I walked. I've been walking for 10 minutes now. The last time I recorded, there was a snake in the middle of the trail. It's a cottonmouth. So I basically turned around from there. I just walked to the other side. I'm pretty sure it was a cottonmouth because I searched the picture, took a picture, and searched it with using Google Lens. So I may be wrong, but apparently it was a cottonmouth. So I don't want to risk it, even though I'm wearing boots. Still didn't want to risk it. I don't know if these boots are thick enough to sustain a bite. And I am by myself, so I say, you know what? I'm just gonna throw caution. Be cautious and turn around. So yeah, this is gonna be another short trip. I wanted to do the whole trail, but I want to give space to nature. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, mosquitoes. Alright. They're going down here. Well, I've been following this canal for a while. We're heading back to the Interpretative Center. I forgot to mention there's a small creatures that jump around. Those are frogs, by the way. I see you haven't seen it in my video so far. Yeah, there's more of them here. Wish I can zoom in.